push in the pilot plunger and you hit the piezo lighter. Hold that down for about a minute. Okay, it's been about a minute. Pilot went out. So, probably got to change the thermocouple. Alright. Already changed this thermocouple out. This is the pilot tube. I'm going to take my 7/16 3/8 wrench, take off the pilot tube. And 3/8, take off your, oh, somebody stripped that out. Take off your thermocouple. Then you disconnect your piezo lighter, your piezo igniter, I should say. You need a T15, which you can see there in that T15 star bit. Also, we need to take this, the main burner tube off. I was thinking that this has been done before because that wasn't very tight. Four screws holding that on. Let's see what's going on. If you can see that. That right there is it's an element. So if that screen right there gets plugged, or the vent gets plugged, heats up, and then that pops, which causes this to come crashing down and closing this burner screen, and it won't stay lit or fire up anymore. But that's intact, so we're good. So this here's your burner, and this is your pilot assembly. Got your sparker, and then your thermocouple. I believe this is what's bad. So the flame shoots on this thermocouple, which sends a electrical current back through this to that, which goes to the gas valve. And then there's a magnet in there which keeps the gas valve open for the pilot, and it's a safety. If this goes bad, it will shut off the burners. Ooh, it's crusty. Hopefully, I'm hoping I can just use a regular thermocouple and not a whole kit. Let's see here. Oh, she's a little crusty. This is a little crusty, but we'll get it. There. It's brand new. Nice and tight. Reconnect your burner or your pilot. Extra thermocouple. And your piezo lighter, piezo igniter. All right. So yeah, I'm gonna need to get a new gas valve for this water heater. It's a 2013, so we're about 10 years old. So yeah, I'm gonna get a new valve. That'll be another video. Thanks for watching.